How to draw a caterpillar. 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 Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but try your hardest. This will be the head of the caterpillar you are drawing. Step 2. Draw antennae and facial features. You can keep it simple or make it more detailed. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw. Step 3. Start drawing the body. Draw a half-circle shape, or better, letter C if your caterpillar is facing another direction than ours. Step 4. Continue drawing the half circles or letters C for the body. Draw as many as you like. The more you draw, the longer your caterpillar's body will be. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a caterpillar. Step 5. Draw the legs. You will need a pair for each circle, head excluded. One line for the leg needs to be shorter than the other. Step 6. Only a few details left. Draw ellipses, or make dots, at the end of legs to make adorable little feet. Also draw a small half circle on top of the last circle for the body. Congratulations! You have just learned how to draw a caterpillar. Step 7. Now all that is left is for you to color your drawing. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a caterpillar. How to draw a spider. 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 Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing a big circle for the spider body. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, oval shape will work out great just as well. Step 2. Draw a wide U shape under the circle. This will make the spider's head. Step 3. A set of eyes and fangs if you are going for the scary spider. How to draw a 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 spider. Step 4. Next come the legs. Draw the first pair. How to draw a spider. How to draw a spider. Step 5. Then the second. How to draw a spider. 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 Step 6. And repeat on the other side. If you want your spider hanging from the web, also draw a straight line from its butt. All done. You've learned how to draw a spider. Step 7. Color your spider. This step is completely optional but makes all the difference. How to draw a spider. 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 How to draw a snail. 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 Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. To make the snail shell look somewhat realistic, start by drawing a curved line at an angle, like you would want to draw half in length. Step 2. Now draw the shell. Start from the top of the line you previously drawn, start drawing a circle oval shape and bring it all the way around to the bottom end of the line from step 1. Step 3. Make the spiral in the snail shell. Start where you ended the outside loop and work your way to the center of the spiral. You have just drawn a snail shell. Step 4. Now that the shell is all done, it's time to work on the body. You can either start at the right side of the shell and make the tail first, or you can start on the left side and draw the head part first, whichever side feels more natural for you. How to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail. Step 5. Draw 2 tentacles with round shapes on top for eyes. How to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail. Step 6. Final details. Draw the eyes and the mouth. With mouth, draw an U shape, and 2 more U shapes on each end. Easy, right? Also make some details on the shell, but these are totally optional. How to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail. Congrats, you just finished your snail drawing. Step 7. Color. Last but not least, bring your snail drawing to life by coloring it. How to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail, how to draw a snail. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing a circle or an oval shape. This will be the body of your ladybug. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Step 2. Draw a curved line from right to the left. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Step 3. Draw a straight line from top to bottom, stop just before you reach the oval shape. Draw a little triangle. How to draw a ladybug. Step 4. Draw dots. It can be 7 as this is the most popular number when it comes to ladybugs, but you can draw more of them or less of them if you want. If drawing 7, draw 1 between both wings, and 3 on each of the wings. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Step 5. Draw antennae and legs. You can make the antennae straight, curvy, or even a bit spiral. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Step 6. Draw the eyes. Also draw dots on the end of antennae and legs. This will make your drawing look even cuter. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. Step 7. Grab your favorite coloring supplies and color in your ladybug drawing. If you want to give it a bit of dimension, color it a bit darker around the edges. How to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug, how to draw a ladybug. How to draw a butterfly, how to draw a butterfly, how to draw a butterfly, how to draw a butterfly. Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing a circle for the head. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. Tip: the more circles you draw, the better they will look. Practice makes perfect. Step 2. Next, let's draw a body shape. You can make it with 1 stroke, or make 2 strokes, starting at the top and joining at the bottom. Step 3. Draw a first pair of wings. Try to make them symmetrical. How to draw a butterfly. 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 Step 4. Now draw a second pair of wings. These are usually a bit smaller than the first pair, but there's absolutely nothing wrong if they are the same size or even bigger. How to draw a butterfly. 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 Step 5. Now let's draw in a nice little face. Everyone loves a butterfly with a smile. I love when our cute critters are showing their tongue, so be sure to draw that too. Step 6. Add finishing touches and color. Draw circles inside the wings and a few stripes on the body of the butterfly. How to draw a 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 butterfly. Step 7. Congratulations! You have learned how to draw an easy butterfly. All there is left to do is to color your butterfly drawing. How to draw a bee. 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 Follow the step-by-step drawing instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing a circle shape. This will be the head of your bee. Step 2. Start by drawing an oval shape. This will be the body of the bee. How to draw a 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 bee. Step 3. Draw stripes in the oval. They can be either arched up or down. The number of stripes isn't important. Also add 2 eyes and mouth in the circle shape. How to draw a bee. 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 Step 4. Now comes the first pair of wings. How to draw a bee. 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 Step 5. Draw the second pair of smaller wings under the first set of wings. Step 6. Draw the sting and antennae. And you are all done. You have just learned how to draw a cute little buzzing bee. You can even add a dashed line coming out of the sting, which will give the effect of the bee flying. Pretty simple and cool addition to your picture. Step 7. Now that you have finished your bee, it's time to color it. If you want to give your picture a bit of depth, color it darker around the edges and lighter in the middle. This will give it a more 3D feel.